Hey, my name is Aerones. I am a head of customer reports in Aerones. When we have received the data, our quality assurance operators are validating the data, and if everything's okay, we just forward this information to our team leads, and team leads distribute each and every turbine to our data operators. And when that's done, we have QC operator which validates our internal quality, and everything's fine. We send our reports to the customer. Recently, two blade engineers joined our company, and their knowledge is very helpful. We were combining our technology with the wind industry knowledge, so we can always do some consultations with these engineers, and they can approve is it something critical or not, and they can give exact recommendations what our customers should do if we find something critical, and we include it in our final reports. We are really excited about this tool because it will definitely allow us to increase our productivity and quality. Because one of the key features of this tool is that the AI annotations will be already there, and we will be able to view these annotations in real time. And basically what we will be able to do, we will be able to accept them, deny them, and it already helps us to prevent some missed defects. But from other point of view, this is also a tool to improve our AI capabilities. First, we were going our own way. We were learning from our mistakes. We were capturing everything. Like when we saw the videos and there was something that we do not understand, we captured it and included it in our reports. Later on, of course, we had some good cooperations with our partners, with some industry experts, and we developed this defect catalog, so we fully understand all kinds of defects that can be found inside the blades and also outside of the blades. And so these catalogs are also validated by blade experts. Our main challenges are to keep up with the high pace, so we have a lot of inspections to do. It's a lot of data. We need systems to track everything. We need systems to monitor internal processes. So basically, internal operations traceability. This is one of the main challenges we had last year, but we have successfully achieved this. We have implemented these systems right now. Our goal is to make our customers happy, so we can provide them with reports on time, quality, and to exceed their expectations.